See if it starts the first try. It's a Gixxer. The Gixxer went by. At least I'm pretty sure it was a Gixxer. I don't know. Chill the fuck out. Yeah. Yeah, we're good. Fuck it. Worst case, my throttle sticks and I die. It's just free cruise control. Nice. Man, it's kind of weird seeing like other people starting to post now from the area, because we've been posting for the we never stopped posting because we never stopped riding really, but like everybody else is starting to break their shit back out and it's like, I recognize that place. Maybe one of these days we can get a few of the other local people that aren't fucking egotistical douchebags to ride with us. We don't need no fucking actual leader bikes out here trying to flex on people, you know? 900, 750s were good, but I feel like any actual 1000 is gonna be some guy's like, wow, there's one lady in that group, we're gonna have to fucking big man, be big man, you know what I mean? That guy was on a Busa. Alright, let's go right at the stop sign. It's all sport bikes out right now too. I've seen 2 fucking Harleys today, but a lot of fucking sport bikes already. Holy shit. I think it's funny when I'm out riding, and I mean, my Harleys don't count towards this because I ride those fuckers all the time too when it's cold out, but I'll see guys in like 800 fucking layers with big ass fairing or windshield on their bagger, and I'm out here in a hoodie on this fucking thing. Out doing like 130 mile an hour, like, what's cold? I just fucking lost feeling 20 minutes ago, bro. It's all the same now. I watched a video today where some guy wrecked his Duke. I think it was like a 390, one of those like little ones, you know? And I was the only person who liked it and the only person not to comment, and the only thing I said was, get this man on an S1000RR right now. I mean, I got like a paragraph back about how he used to ride big bikes and stuff, and I just like small ones, and then he's wrecked that one like 2 or 3 times now, and it's like, oh, maybe it's a good thing you went to a smaller bike, bro. Fuck. I mean, it's not like I have big bikes to say anything, but fuck me, dude. Let's hang a right onto the road here instead of trying to actually get in through the driveway. Oh, you're already fucking over there. How the fuck? Man, fuck you. I mean, you fucking... You fit, don't worry. You could have pulled in the disabled parking lot, or parking spot, and I wouldn't have batted an eye because it would make sense. Didn't you give me shit at one point for doing that? True. Man, I need to like... That's true. I need to get like my split setup. I have the cord to do the split setup, I just don't have the second microphone yet. Hopefully in the next couple of weeks I'll like pony up the whole $40 to buy it on Amazon, but
I think I can actually like install a mic this one too.
Oh, nice.
So just have to plug in and
Hell yeah. See, my only thing is like, it's not necessarily buying in stuff, it's just I'd have to tear this pelmet apart on the inside, and I don't want to do that when I'm getting a new one in the next couple months. Yeah, that's fair. I also need a new helmet. I'm looking at Shoeies, so like one of these days we have to go to Fox so I can try them on. Because I don't want to buy one and have it be like this one where it's like, yeah, it fits, and then it breaks in and it's like, it no longer fits. Gotta hang it right out of here. Whoa, there's a fucking dip right there. That's a fucking slug bug. Oh no, it's road work. Road work? I hope it does. Don't fucking look at me like that, you're saying that shit. Just saying, that's how the Harley's gonna sound, but it's gonna be because of a cam, not because I'm just loping through at low RPM. So do we have to stop for this technically, or no? Alright, I'll do the... Oh, we stopped. Look at that. We're good. Yeah, exactly. That's how it works. That guy's going the wrong way, by the way. That red car just went down our side of the road, going back towards... That's awesome. I love that so much. There are so many smart people here. And it's not even summer yet. We're excited for summer, but I'm not excited for the fucking idiots to be out. I was at a meet late last year. I think I invited you to it, but you were busy or something like that. So I went with the Damien guy that helped me wrap the bike. And there was a guy there on a newer ZX10, and that bike was fucking crazy. Like... He started it and you could hear it loping, and Damien's like, yeah, he opened the motor and rebuilt the entire fucking thing for racing. And it's like, holy shit. So like, as he started, it's going whoop, whoop, whoop. And it's like, what the fuck? That's a ZX10. It shouldn't be going like that. What the hell? Oh, it's baby ninjas. Let's go straight across here. Unless you want to play with the BMW. Alright. Skirt. I know we just ate, but it smells good as fuck over here. Oh man, a yellow. What, the yellow light? Where are you going? Fuck. Fucking. But scary motorcycles, they go loud. Yeah? That's a hell of a house right there. Fuck yeah, buddy. Not even because the house was nice, just because I had a Corvette, a 5.0, an SRT Durango, an OBS. Had all the cool shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I was gonna try and smack your windshield, but you're too far away. I'm gonna shout this guy out. He's gonna have no fucking idea who the hell I am.